this week I was fortunate enough to get out a couple of times. Took Thursday off work, fished Sunday, fished Thursday, and if I get my stuff together, well, I got to. I promised some people we're gonna go out tomorrow. So hopefully we have the same success we had on Sunday and Thursday, and it'll be a great week. So it's been on fire. Thursday was cold, man. Thursday, 10 to 15 mile an hour, maybe 20 mile an hour winds, pretty much consistent. We were fishing up on the south side of the lake, trying to hide behind Belle Isle, and we still got beat up pretty good. We were pretty cold. I misread the weather report. You know, it says it's gonna be 80. 60 by, I don't know. It said 60 by noon. I thought I'd be all right the way I was, but I was pretty cold. So I'll prepare better. Tomorrow I know it's gonna be cold, so we'll be prepared tomorrow. And I don't know. Hopefully we get a quick limit. Don't have to stay out there all day, but we'll see what happens. So this is my trip from Thursday. I went with a buddy from work, Tyler, old friend of mine. We got into him. You know, we had to move once. We had to put a little work in. Keep going back and hitting our tracks. You know, where we were catching fish, and then at the end of the day, it started to slow down. So we made a move down south of Ambassador Bridge. Finished our last 2 or 3, and got this cool pic that you'll see at the end of the video. So it was a good day. Check it out. Thanks, man.
Oh, that was slammed. Oh, he got off. Kyle was pulled right on my hand. There we go. Yeah, you gotta be careful with those. That's why I usually grab the net, because they come off super easily. That breeze will pick up. I don't know. Where's my puller? This might be the big one we're looking for. That's another drag. This is the bigger. No. Nice one, I think. I got it sideways. It's a decent one. Hell yeah. Is that 5? I gotta quit cussing and swearing in my videos. It'll be hard. Pretty good at that. Cursor. Hey, Ty. Ah, he's off. And I hooked my line up there. Sorry. No, it's not your fault. It's Ty's fault. I asked him a long time ago. There he is. Nice one, I think. I got it sideways. He's a decent one.
Yeah, it is. Good job, man.
Good deal. Tighten that drag down a little bit. Are you just caught? Are you just on the ground? You might just be on the ground. Yeah, just pull straight back, straight back, straight back. Grab the line on the rod, pull it all back, break it off. Come on, you can break it. It's just 10-pound test on there, man. Here, grab my line. Grab my line. There we go. Deal. Oh, he swallowed the fuck out of that thing. I gotta think. Appreciate you, sir. Already? See if we can finish up this 3-man limit.
4 to go. 5 to go. 4 to go. 5. 5 to go. 3 to go. We have 13.
Yeah, we 6 apiece.
Oh yeah, 18. 5.
It is a sticker I could put somewhere. But we could use a sticker right now. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, he's sitting fucking 15 all day. Oh, I was snagged. All right, let's go back up front. All right, we're good. Put the camera